Welcome to Homework Lib.
Draw an alkyl halide that will produce only one alkene upon treatment with a strong base. The simplest solution is ethyl bromide. When it undergoes dehydrohalogenation with a strong base, let's say amide, it will produce ethylene. It's just one alkene and Br minus and NH3. That's E2 elimination. Bromine is extracted from this carbon and hydrogen from this one.